Here's something fascinating about your body right now. Every single cell you have is doing the same thing, breaking down sugar. Not to make it taste bad, but to extract energy. And the process? It's like a factory assembly line that's been perfected over billions of years. Let me show you how it actually works. Glycolysis is basically the name for this process. It comes from two words, glyco, meaning sugar, and lysis, meaning to break apart. So it literally means breaking sugar apart. And here's the beautiful part. It happens in almost every living thing on Earth. Bacteria, plants, humans, we all use glycolysis. It's the most fundamental energy process in biology.
So here's where it gets interesting. One glucose molecule, that's 6 carbons stuck together, enters the cell. But before we can extract energy, we have to spend a little energy. It's like spending money to make money, right? The cell uses 2 ATP molecules, those are like energy coins, to get the process started. This investment is crucial because it sets up the glucose to be split perfectly. Now watch what happens. The glucose gets split right down the middle. One 6-carbon molecule becomes 2 3-carbon molecules called pyruvate. This is the key moment. This is where the real energy extraction begins. Each of these pyruvate molecules still has chemical energy locked inside. And now the cell is going to get serious about pulling that energy out. Here's where the magic happens. Each pyruvate molecule goes through a series of reactions. 10 steps total, each one carefully orchestrated. And with each step, the cell is extracting energy. By the end, each pyruvate has been stripped of its electrons, and those electrons are captured in a molecule called NADH. But the real prize? The cell produces ATP. 4 ATP molecules total. Remember we spent 2 to start? Now we get 4 back. That's a profit of 2 ATP molecules per glucose. Energy profit. So let's bring this together. Glycolysis takes one glucose molecule and produces a small amount of ATP energy plus NADH molecules that will be used later. It happens in your cells right now, millions of times per second. And here's the beautiful part. It's just the first step. Those pyruvate molecules and NADH go on to create even more energy through other pathways. But glycolysis? It's the foundation. It's how life extracts usable energy from food. Now you understand how your cells actually power themselves.